Angela Langlotz, trademark and business law attorney here, going live once again as I do every weekday to talk about intellectual property issues. If you like this video, go ahead and share it with others who might find it useful. Today, I would like to talk about a type of trademark infringement called trade dress infringement. Now, although trade dress is not generally registered as a trademark because it's kind of hard to register the look and feel of something, trade dress amounts to the visual impression. It's almost always a visual thing. The visual impression that a brand makes when they are when they're building their restaurant or their retail store, for example. So an example of trade dress infringement might be if there was a jewelry store that copied the distinctive Tiffany Blue that Tiffany's uses, or if a Mexican restaurant adopted the decor and color scheme and look and feel of a taco cabana. Another example is McDonald's. McDonald's has a very distinctive look and feel in all of their restaurants that's consistent across the entire brand, even though all of their restaurants are not owned by the same person. They're franchises, most of them. McDonald's restaurants have a look and feel that is consistent across the entire spectrum of their restaurant services that they offer. So just because you can't register, or it's hard to register the entire look and feel of your trade dress, doesn't mean that it's not actionable as trademark infringement. So you can that's the wrong word. You can forward a lawsuit for trade dress infringement irrespective of the fact that your trade dress is or isn't registered, right? The Supreme Court has not ruled on very many trademark conflicts over the years, but they have ruled on, fairly recently, some trade dress infringement cases, and they use the same analysis as they do in other trademark infringement cases, where they look at the likelihood of consumer confusion. If a consumer is likely to be confused when confronted with product or service A and product or service B, then it's a trademark infringement, and in this case, a trade dress infringement. So if you're coming up with a new brand, I encourage you to be very, very careful not to step on the toes of an existing brand. You don't want to be accused of trade dress infringement. I'm Angela Langlotz, and I go live every weekday to talk about intellectual property issues. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net, and you can also find me on Facebook at facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor. If you like my Facebook page, you'll be notified every time I go live. If you have intellectual property questions that you'd like me to answer in a future live video, please just go ahead and message me on the Trademark Doctor page, and share this video if you think others might find it useful.